Harry's Razor Blades Refills, razors for men 14 count. Premium blades. Harry's Razors for Men includes 5 sharp, durable razor blades honed in our German factory for a close, comfortable shave. Everything you need for a great shave. Our men's razor is designed with a precision trimmer for hard-to-reach spots, flex hinge, and lubricating strip. Our blades box keeps your razor blades in optimal condition until you are ready for shaving. It's easy to use, water-friendly, and 100% recyclable. Factory direct prices. Harry's bought a factory in Germany to ensure the quality of our shaving razors for men and to pass the savings on to our customers who deserve a great shave at a fair price. We're a brand you can trust. Publications such as GQ, Esquire and Men's Health stand behind the quality of our products and believe we offer impressive razor blades for men at a low price. Quality guaranteed. We want you to love every product we make. If you're not happy with your men's razors for shaving, send us a message and we'll take care of you. Top reviews from the United States. Harry's Razor Perfect. I wear my hair bald. It took me a long time to find the perfect razors to use. Harry's Razor Refills are great. Price is good as well. My new go-to razors. I've paid it forward and told all my buddies about the Harry razors.